Some home sellers going it on their own, doing a for sale by owner, don't mind working with a buyer's real estate agent. Some would rather not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid paying any commissions at all, keeping all your money, and still getting your house sold. Hi, my name's Joel Y. I've been selling real estate in the state of Kansas for the last 13 years, and that's where I've gained the knowledge, the expertise, and the experience that I use to teach you how to sell your house yourself, sell it fast, and sell it for a lot more money. So if you or anyone you know are selling a house now or anytime in the future, consider selling it yourself and saving a lot of money. Subscribe to this channel and I'll show you how to do that. And like this video today because I'm going to save you some money. Many buyers looking for houses have already contacted a real estate agent and are working with one. And a lot of those buyers have signed an agency agreement with that agent. And what that agency agreement says is that that real estate agent is going to get paid regardless, and the buyer is going to be responsible for paying them if their seller doesn't. And it's always assumed that the seller pays all the real estate commissions. You can watch this video up here, who pays the realtor, and see how that works, even though it's a little bizarre. If your goal is not to pay any real estate commission at all and keep all your money to yourself, then I want you to do this one thing. This is what your house looks like when you put it on Zillow as a for sale by owner. A buyer is looking for a house, they come across yours, it gets their attention, and now they scroll through the pictures, they like what they see because you've done such a good job of getting it ready for market, and they fall in love. The next is they want more information. Zillow wants them to click on this contact agent button because that's how Zillow makes their money, selling leads to buyer's agents. But what you want them to do is to scroll down here to the description, see this, and then contact you directly. And you get them to do that by writing, "For the best deal, contact me directly. Bob at 555-555-5555. Right in there, contact me directly for the best deal. And you can see that your phone number is down here, but quite honestly, and I know this from experience, most buyers just send the address to the agent they're working with, and then the agent calls you to schedule a showing. When they do call you directly, let them know, yeah, this is the price of the house. If you want to work with your real estate agent, I'm going to have to raise the price of the house to pay them, unless you want to pay them. And the price will reflect that. And a lot of times they'll go back to their agent and they'll try to get out of that buyer's agency agreement and work directly with you. And that's what the goal is. So as I was researching for this video, I also came across this. Now this is another strategy that's used. This guy says that if you come to him without a real estate agent, he'll take $5,000 off the price of the house. But the problem with that is that then you have to market the house at a higher price. I would be remiss if I didn't mention that some sellers actually like to work with the buyer's agent because then that agent will do all the paperwork for them. And if that's your case, watch this video here. It teaches you how to negotiate with your buyer's agent. But remember, you still want that buyer to call you directly so you can have a conversation and you can build a relationship with that buyer before the agent's ever involved. Finally, the best way to make any home selling strategy effective is to make sure that the buyer completely falls in love with your house, and you do that by getting your house ready for market. So subscribe to this channel because I can show you how to do that, and I'll also give you lots of tips and strategies that'll teach you how to sell your house fast and to sell it for more money. And watch our series here on getting your home ready for market room by room. That'll really give you some insight on what you can do to get your house absolutely fabulous so that people fall in love with it. And as always, thanks for watching.